Welcome to the 8th part of this video series, and in this video we are just going to use lazy mouse or my method, which is manual method, for creating these kinds of line. These kinds of lines are just simple. I am just putting them with some experience with suit designs. I have gone through some suit designs on Pinterest and Google, so I have found out that these kinds of line are like sharp lines. So I'm just creating them here, and after doing the retopology I will make these lines more properly. But for now I'm just blocking out these lines, and in this part we are overall going to add these lines only. And after this we are going to complete the sculpting process. Then after that we are going to move on to the retopology process, and for retopology I will be using the Z remeshing process. For manual retopology I use Maya, and in Maya I use quad draw tool. But for this one I am going to use Zbrush and Zbrush remeshing feature. So for that, for getting a decent model for using in any pipeline. And in my later videos I will be introducing you with Maya and its other features for retopology and other things. But for now I hope to complete this thing only in Zbrush, and you get a beautiful model out of it only from Zbrush. And retopology is there, but I will be adding those lectures in the later part of this series. But if you are following this series, I feel very proud if it is helping you. These videos are like I am doing my best, or you can say I am trying my best to tell you what I have learned in these years. And if you are following these videos and these videos are helping you, I feel really proud to help you in the process of learning Zbrush. And this is my process it is like universal process, but for me it's a process in which I start with something simple and I learn gradually. And you can see I have created a mask by control hold. Then I am going to deformation tab and inflate. If you are following this video, you might be familiar with these steps. So, and for lazy mouse you can refer to the third part of this series. In that thing I have introduced about the lazy mouse option, so just go through it also. And if you are following it, I'm really happy, and this model is turning out to be a good model, and we are going to complete this in this series. And the modeling process, the sculpting process basically is like going on, and we are at the end of the sculpting process. After that we are going to retopology, then texturing, and we are going to learn more crazy things in this series. So stay tuned and keep watching. Thank you so much guys.